All right, guys, we got another one for you today. AMT's 57 Chevy Bel Air 125 scale. Hobby Lobby. These are one of the cheaper kits. 40% off. It's not bad. Skill level 2. Not a lot of parts on this one. We're going to really focus on, the build there. We're going to focus on getting a nice paint job, custom airbrushing. If you're into that, guys, comment, let me know. I'll spend a little more time and show you how to do some of my airbrushing. I know a lot of people use rattle cans and stuff, but I'm just not in position to spray cans. It's cold outside, and yeah. So anyways, we're going to try to do this 57 Chevy. I'm going to open it up, get it out of the box, get the foundation glued together, and then we'll be right back before we paint. See you soon. All right, this had blue styrene, so we painted over it with white, hit it with the hot pink and purple. Yeah, other than the wheels not looking really good, pretty good job. Let's see how it turned out. All right, it turned out pretty good. Out of the box, the windshield came messed up, which was weird, and the wheel covers that fit over the rims really sucked. I should have just left them off, but I put glue on them and tried to make it work. And also, the back bumper was a little wonky, and yeah, so a couple little errors, but overall, pretty fun build, pretty straightforward. The engine didn't really sit good with me, so I made some modifications, but that's how it is in a lot of these kits, especially on the cheaper side. But overall, I think it's a great kit to do. I did the purple with the hot pink. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and we'll see you on the next build.